I snagged on something major, bro. It's coming up too, so I turned on my camera. What the fuck is this? This big ass fucking bush, bro. Oh, the biggest stick I ever caught, bro. Ever the things. Look like a walking stick, bro. Yeah, I fucking cut some of my finger off. It looks pretty crazy because I just been putting iodine on it. It's been in, I did it yesterday, about 24 hours ago, a little bit more. But I put iodine on it and just been sitting it in a clean little thing, and then just iodine it basically a few times a day, and Neosporin, and hopefully it'll heal up. Hit it up on a 5 horsepower table saw. Just barely nicked it yesterday. It sucks. I went to work today though. It wasn't that bad. That one, boys. Didn't know if I had one. He's swimming towards me. I did feel a hit that. My fingers all jacked up. Very nice to get on butt. Put him up over here. Oh, what is that? That's a trout. That's a trout, boys. What? Wow. On a Senko. Trout like Senkos, bro. Trouts never give up either, bro. They don't like bass. Bass give up kind of fast. Trout like to keep fighting. Let's see if I can get them off real quick. Oh, my finger. Oh man, I don't have my pliers on me today. Looks like he got it deep. Dude, I was fishing right now. This fucking dumbass in his boat just literally came up basically almost shoreline me right here from the left, and he ran over my fucking shit and it dragged out my line, and then it snapped the line. But I don't know if my shit got stuck in his prop. I think he went down towards the ramp and shut off his boat. I can't see that far really too good. That shit pisses me off though, dude. I actually kind of hope it does fuck up his prop though some. Fuck that guy, he's an idiot. I think I hear his boat right now. Oh, he's over there to the left. So yeah, basically it sucks because I got a couple birds nests today. One I had to cut out, so it's already getting low on line, so the boat tank's not that big of a deal. But right before that I found this lure, and then it's funny, I lost a lure that was similar to this, but just a smaller one. So this one's actually better, so I scored, but at the same time I still lost one of my good little lipless cranks I like to use out here sometimes. But yeah, it sucks, but alright, thank you guys.